All right, y'all, that is our 10 at 10 for August 1st. August 1st, what the heck, man?
Of 2023, y'all. So these are sizes of what we have currently, very similar sizes. You know, if you're watching this video later, you know, these trees might be smaller or larger at the time.
August 1st, that sounds like some Back to the Future date. How are we at August already? That's crazy. Again, fall's coming. We do offer fall shipping for y'all if you're looking to hold something till fall, or if you're looking to pick it up at our upcoming open house. Definitely come see us there. It's gonna be Labor Day and it's gonna be off the hook. It's gonna be an incredible day to come out, see what we do here at Mr. Maple. I think there's a ton of people traveling in for this one. It's gonna be a big one, but we're gonna make it worth your while. We've got the band, we've got the Carolina Drifters here playing. Sean, you hear him in those guitar intros for the podcast there. He's gonna be playing guitar. Jess, who works here, playing drums. Kate, she's playing keyboards and backup vocals. That's a whole awesome band. If you hadn't already, go check out their new single, Gasline. It's out on all things right now. And we're gonna have a food truck. So we're gonna have just an incredible day going on here at Mr. Maple.
Y'all, again, this is 10 of the 20 trees getting listed. Check out the email and make sure to check out Quick today at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Take care.
God bless.
Have a great day.